purpose of your visit?
For business. I am here for a
Conference.
conference
How long are you staying in the U.S.?
for a week
Where are you staying?
in San Francisco at the Pacific View Hotel.
Do you know anybody here?
Yes, David.
Is he family or a friend?
He is a colleague and a friend.
Do you have his phone number?
Yes, he, he, his number is 4056 55 7182.
Is it your first visit to the U.S.?
Yes, City.
Okay, enjoy your stay in San Francisco.
Thank you.
Hello, anything to declare?
Declare.
Declare.
Excuse me, I don't understand.
Do you have any value
Able.
or alcohol to declare?
No, nothing at all.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Thank you.